Ever taken a long break from the gym and worried you've lost all your progress? It feels like you're starting from scratch, right? Well, what if I told you your body has a superpower that makes sure no effort is ever wasted? It's called muscle memory, and today we're diving into the science of how it works. First things first, let's clear up a common myth. Muscle memory isn't actually stored in your muscles. It's stored in your brain and nervous system. When you practice a movement, like a squat or a deadlift, you're not just building muscle. You're building super-fast communication highways between your brain and your muscles. These are called neural pathways. The more you train, the stronger and more efficient these pathways become. This is why exercises feel easier and more natural over time. Your body is literally learning the skill of the movement. So, when you first start working out, those quick strength gains you feel, that's not new muscle, not yet. That's your nervous system getting smarter. It learns how to recruit more muscle fibers and coordinate them better. This neural adaptation is the first step in building muscle memory, and it explains why beginners get stronger so fast. But here's where it gets really interesting, especially if you've taken time off. When you train, your muscle cells gain extra helpers called myonuclei. Think of them as tiny managers inside your muscles that oversee growth and repair. Now, if you stop training, your muscles might shrink, but guess what? Those myonuclei stick around. They wait patiently. When you start training again, these pre-existing nuclei jump back into action, allowing your muscles to rebuild and regrow much faster than the first time. This is why it's never truly starting over. Research shows this effect can last for years, even decades. That's why former athletes can bounce back so quickly. Their bodies remember the blueprint for strength and size. And when you do return, you'll notice your strength comes back before your muscle size does. That's your neural pathways reactivating first, followed by the muscle regrowth. It's also why proper form is so critical from day one. Your brain will remember bad form just as easily as good form. Learning the correct technique early on creates a solid foundation that will benefit you for the rest of your life, making your workouts safer and more effective. The big takeaway: every single workout you do, every repetition, is a long-term investment in your fitness. Muscle memory ensures that your hard work is never truly lost. It's stored, waiting to be reactivated. So, whether you're just starting, getting back into it after a break, or have been training for years, know that every effort counts and builds a foundation that lasts a lifetime. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fitness science. See you next time.